What's up, guys? We're out here at another pond. It's been raining quite frequently where we live, and luckily this pond looks actually pretty clear. It's owned by one of our friends' grandpas, so we hit him up last night to see if we could come out here this morning, because later on today there's supposed to be a lot more rain coming, so we thought we'd get here a little early and try to get on some fish. There's cover in every corner, as you can see, so we should be able to get on something. It's about 8:30.
Alright, we got a tree falling over right here, so there's got to be something right in here. I have to tighten my drag up. Not a bad fish right there. Not a bad one at all. Oh, easy, buddy, easy, buddy, easy, buddy. Dang, son. Got that one down in tongue, didn't you? Oh, yeah, we're doubled up over there. We're doubled up, you know. Not a bad guy. Decent. Underneath that tree. Uh-oh. Get you back in the water.
First fish, baby. There's one. Doubled up, baby. First fish for me. Ty's on one over there. These fish are dark. Come on, don't hook me. Looks like Ty got one about the same size. It's a long, skinny one. Dang, he's running fast. Dude, he was cruising. Did you see that? My line literally took off from there. You can see literally the line in the water. My second one, a little better than the last one.
Oh. Oh. Oh! Stay down. Stay down. Nice one. There we go. Not a bad one right there. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Alright, later, bud.
Doubled up again. That's our second double up of the day. This is my third one. Littler than the last one, but it's a fish. There's one. I mean, those are solid fish. Right in the same spot again. There's one. It's not a bad one. It's my biggest of the day. Solid hook sets. That ain't bad right there. Pound and a half or so probably. See if we can get a couple more before we leave. Yep, right there's one. Little chunky guy. Cinco's killing him today. Right there on the same colored Cinco.